Bookends provides two great ways to search for and import references from a variety of online search engines. Both begin the same way. Go to File, Online Search. We're going to start with a direct search. In the pop-up menu in the upper left-hand corner, you can choose from a variety of search engines, including PubMed, Google Scholar, Amazon, and the Library of Congress, as well as a variety of universities. You can create your own search option for any library or institution that has a Z3950 compatible server. This includes most university libraries. If a filter is not already available for your university, you should contact the library for the Z3950 connection information and create a new import filter. You can find more search options, as well as the ability to create new ones, under File, Import Filter Manager. See the Bookends documentation for more information on this topic. There are advanced search options if you're feeling fancy, but let's start with a simple PubMed search. Note that the first reference is yellow. This means it's already in my Bookends library. This one looks interesting. Okay. At the bottom of the screen, I have the options to add the reference to the hits list when I import it, and to tell Bookends to try to download the PDF. Bookends can't always import the PDF. Sometimes it might be behind a paywall and you don't have access to it, or maybe the publisher links to it in an unusual way. And not every search engine supports the import PDF option, but in this case it worked just fine. Okay, let's go back to the online search window. You can also select a few at once and import them. Just give Bookends a few seconds to look for the PDFs. Okay, Bookends found some PDFs, but not others. We'll come back to this later. Let's try another one, this time with the Colgate University Library. No surprise there. There's no option to import PDFs here, but I can still import the reference. Okay, that's pretty useful, but there's something even cooler called Bookends Browser. There are two ways to use it. Let's go back to PubMed. And let's redo the same search from before. The first way is to simply click on the little browser icon here, and you're in Bookends Browser. But the second way is probably more useful. Go to that pop-up menu in the upper left corner and click on Bookends Browser. Use the bookmark menu to choose somewhere to go. Let's go back to PubMed and find something interesting. Let's look for one of the references that we couldn't get a PDF for before. Okay, here's one. Let's go to the publisher's website and look for the PDF. Oh, here it is. Okay, now we go to the Bookends list view and select the appropriate paper. We can right-click on the PDF proxy icon in the upper right-hand corner and attach it to the selected reference. Or we can just drag and drop the PDF proxy icon onto the reference. You can even drag and drop the icon onto the desktop or into an email. So even if Bookends didn't automatically find the PDF for some reference, if you can navigate to it in Bookends Browser, you can attach it easily. Let's go back to the search results. Okay, this one looks good. The down arrow up here means that Bookends recognizes the metadata on the page. Press it, select the reference, then click and hold on Import to see your options. Let's head back to Bookends Browser for one final cool feature. You can press the down arrow on the search results page itself and take your pick from all the options. Remember, the yellow ones are the refs we already have. One more thing. There's a third way to use Bookends Browser. Go to your Bookends library, select a reference, and click on the Browser button down here. As an example, I've picked a reference without an attached PDF. Bookends Browser automatically goes to the URL associated with the reference, if any. Let's go to the publisher's site. If I click the paperclip icon while viewing a web page, Bookends will download and attach a web archive of the page. But if I can navigate to the PDF itself, the paperclip will attach the PDF to the reference. This is a great way to find and attach missing PDFs to your references.